go down?
Yeah!
The rules are, there are no rules. We're strict rules.
Sword! Jump! Give me my money! Divebombers to the front!
They don't want to subscribe to this crap. Want a beer? Yeah. Yes.
Bad decision. This is what we do. Top of the morning, Dive Bomber fans. 4:30 in the morning. Got the War Pig all loaded up. Danny and Charles are on their way.
As per our normal creed, what could possibly go wrong?
Are you like that, Charles?
No.
We're gonna hit the road. Gonna go to Klamath Falls. Going to the benefit for the Basin. We're gonna do some racing. Small tire, big tire, daily driver class. We're all gonna lie to each other and find a race.
Hey,
Isn't it awesome?
yes. And you know what else I saw? Speaking of awesomeness, the carpet, the graffiti on my fuel tank, the unicorns and purple rain.
Chef Teal's working really hard on keeping Danny from dying in the heat. Me and Luke are dorking off. Literally tagging Danny's car.
We're working really hard to beautify this car.
You think they're like going across the line of friendship or what?
Well, I'm going to blame it on you anyway.
It just may look good enough to keep it on there. Yeah, dog. Not doing anything here. Nothing. Okay, go to spread.
I don't foresee him getting that mad, but there's always a chance. I have an idea. I'm going to do this, and then I'm going to do the Divebombers thing in gold. Oh, it's just over the top of it. And then he can't get that mad about it. It's Divebombers.
Dude.
The graffiti on my fuel tank. What do you? The unicorns and purple
First
rain.
of all,
and
that is art. It's not graffiti, and it's beautiful.
it was.
No,
I have a rag with it all on it.
What? You know how much
Yes.
time I spent on that?
I know. Don't think I
like
don't
a
appreciate
solid
it.
2 minutes.
We're about to get underway, racing the big tire cars, still in a single lane, just make sure we can stop. There's construction here, a lot of gravel, so this will be interesting.
Looks like right lane, keep going, Nick Kessler, and that's the people will come out.
And you came back and we're just having fun. And I can't believe I want you to race. I'm in. I want to race.
So just pick a car.
Yeah, let's do it. Yeah. What's your favorite color?
You're wearing a green shirt.
Pick one. Green. Okay. How about that?
Green is for the.
I mean, that's a 55. That's right up my alley.
That's up your alley.
Winning.
I'm nervous because he's got like the ultimate car. He's a
55 two-door post kind of guy. It's green, it's gassed out.
Yeah.
Some 4-speed?
It's automatic. Definitely
Automatic?
Yeah.
That's cool. You know what? I'm gonna see if I can use that. That's a TRX.
Yeah. So old school versus new school.
Bingo.
There he is. This is Justin Goodlet, Medford Drag Strip.
Doing well, thank you, Justin.
He's
Awesome.
got the rules that you guys need to follow.
The rules are, there are no rules. We're street racing.
Winning.
So
Stay off the wall.
don't hit the wall, don't wreck the car. Basically, we're just street racing.
Have fun, be safe.
Far out. Okay, I'm in. Let's do it.
Stick.
Yeah.
I think they're going to rematch. Dave's like, oh, no. KFalls got it done. The old 55 just took out that TRX. All the modern technology. Still can't get around 55 gas. Here comes the Godzilla.
I would say it's getting intermittent. Just right for that guy.
I know, right?
I like your work with actually the one that works is really that is a bullshit rocket. That's what they sound like.
This episode of Divebombers Garage is brought to you by Radiator Supply House. It was started in Sweet Home, Oregon in 2003 by brothers Ryan and Will Garrett. But the story didn't start there. The story started in the 1970s with their dad Mitch, where he got his start in the radiator industry in Klamath Falls, Oregon. Later he moved to Medford, where he started a radiator shop, and they made radiators for almost everything. We're talking farm equipment, any industrial applications, along with all the automotive cars. Plus they started doing custom builds, so radiator that we put in a couple of our rigs. Not only does Radiator Supply House make the most badass radiators on the planet, but they also sponsor the Dive Bombers at the Klamath Falls Benefit for the Basin, where we put on 120-foot drag races. Will and Ryan put up the money for all the cash for the winning person, and they give it to us in big stacks of $2 bills. So it's super cool when you win, because you get this big fat stack of cash. So if you're in need of an awesome radiator, check them out, radiatorsupplyhouse.com. Enjoy the episode, leave a comment, and let us know who you think is going to win.
Very tight. Damn, by like.
I thought he was gonna give that one away.
I was like, uh-oh.
That's what I said.
Justin, you didn't come down fast enough. You went too high. You went too high.
You left. I'm like, what are you doing? I haven't left yet. 1 o'clock.
What about what's wrong with right now?
1 o'clock. I told everybody 1 o'clock. I announced it. I'm sticking to my schedule. You lost money.
What was that, 3 grand or 2 grand?
It was 2,000, but it was a $1,500 bet. Because it's 500 to run around. See, in my head, I thought, you jumped or you were perfect.
Yeah, it was close.
It was close.
It was like,
Looks like the gun runner's gonna take it, so we're gonna have the gun runner and the Q-Jet assassin in the finals. It's gonna be an all-Divebombers finals.
he jumped.
You saw it! You jumped! Give me my money! Divebombers to the front! Yeah! Yeah! Double or nothing, right now!
I can't believe you jumped.
God! I can believe it. I believe it's funny. I was like, I'm gonna wait for him to leave.
I left on his rotation. I was like, keep moving. Nope, yep. You didn't hear me over there today and off with your whole head? I heard you.
I saw you.
That's only 20. You said 25.
$25?
Yeah. No, you said 25.
Did you leave after him?
Yes. Holy crap. Good work, dude. Don't hit the gun runner.
Well, I'm gonna have to next
It's
round.
like, this thing's like old heavy.
Looks like the right lane's gonna take it, the gun runner's in here.
Okay, so we just got done with our drag racing adventure here in Klamath Falls. Probably gonna go inside, grab our cash.
He wants to see what that looks like.
Here you go, bud.
This is Chris from Divebombers Garage. If you like what you're seeing, please like, subscribe, ring the bell, add a comment. Anything helps our channel and brings more content to you.
Is that it? Are we supposed to cut? Are we cutting?
No, I'm waiting for them to like and subscribe.
Oh,
We'll just wait for them.
All right, yeah. We'll wait.
We'll just wait here.
What are you guys doing?
We're waiting for them to like and subscribe.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Is that one?
No, not yet.
We got a little bit.
So it's
Anytime.
I just come through.
hey, we're waiting.
Can you bring us a water? Can I get a water?
Hey, thanks.
Thanks, man.
While we're waiting, I'll make a comment. We all know what time it is.
Typewriter country!
Typewriter time.
What are you retards doing? I thought I heard a click.
We're waiting for
waiting.
them to like and subscribe.
Yeah. To
Subscribers.
Did you guys
Yeah.
go talk somewhere else?
They don't want to subscribe to this crap.
Oh, beer.
Yes.
Did you already open it?
Now do you want one?
Click and subscribe. Hey, brought to you by Coors Light.
All right, I'm out.
All right. Just a teaser in your lead. Like and subscribe. We appreciate you.